In this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a TikTok account. This should work on both iOS and Android, so if you want to create a TikTok account, make sure you watch the video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok, click on this icon, click on add account. You can choose whatever you want, but I'm going to choose with Google. Click on continue. If your account isn't right here, you can click on use another account and log in through there, but I'm going to choose this account right here. Choose my birthday like this, click on next, click your own a custom name. For me this is good, but you can customize it yourself. Click on sign up, and there you go, your account is created. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I would appreciate that. Thanks.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.